Being so feisty today? Why so feisty today? You super feisty, Are you a grump? You're being kind of menace. You're being a menace to society. To the flip-flop animal sanctuary. You the resident menace. You're getting all them head scratches in. You're getting all the head scratches. Look at that girl. How you doing, Rebel Duck? Pretty duck. How you doing, baby? Says the sun is shining and the water's clean. She's yelling at her sister. She's like, get back in here. Yeah, she's telling it. Oh, does she need more bugs? So someone sent this off of our wish list. So these are some bug snacks for her. These are not for you, Holiday. Get going. Come on, you menace. You menace. Do you need some of these bug snacks? Is that what this is about? Check this out. Here. Go get them bug snacks. Not while you're watching, filthy human. I see you. You ain't been in there but 5 minutes. You can't be ready to come out yet. It's because your sister left, isn't it? She's mad because her sister left. Hello, Flip-Flop. Hello, Flip-Flop. Oh, it's breakfast time. It's breakfast time, sir. Are those the most delicious snacks, Flip-Flop? Hi, Henry. Come get some, Henry. Beautiful birds. You guys are gorgeous. What do you think, Flip-Flop? You like it? You approve? You think I will eat all of the corn out of here? You are beautiful birds, you are. Come on, you bad boys. You bad guys. You guys are trouble. Bert and Ernie. Bert and Ernie. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Bert. I'm talking to you, man. We all know you're the instigator. You're the one that starts it all. Beautiful birds. You're beautiful birds. So this guinea bird right here, his name is Flower. And she's an older female. And so when she gets to go out in the main yard, she is the only guinea bird allowed out. It's Flower's day out. And she's still going to come over here and talk trash to these guys, though. This is the only guinea fowl that's easy to handle. She's a sweetie. She lets you pick her right up. But anyway, so on days that Flower gets to stay out, so does Onyx. Because Onyx only has one eye, so he needs to come out on a day when he doesn't have to watch out for 5 or 6 guinea birds. So this is Onyx's day outside too. You're so handsome, Onyx. Look at you guys snacking. Look at you guys snacking. Still ladies only on this side of the fence. It's working out pretty well that way. We do have these two over here making all this noise. That's Victoria and Elizabeth. Oh, they were having a heart attack because this guy over here was getting in their territory. Pydos! He's like, that's okay, I will look for some bugs over here in this muddy water. What do we got here? Is that Zorro? Yes. She's still super broody. She's a super broody girl.
I hate to put cuddles up today, but I think Rosemary is great.
Oh, you hear that, Puddles? You getting put in timeout today, bro. Look, he's over here talking trash to her. He's like, girl, both pools are taken up by geese. You need to move out of this swimming pool. This is the duck pool. The goose pool's over here. Sorry, Puddles. He's like, oh man, I will go eat these bugs. Maybe a frog or something. I see you. I see you. It's a good thing y'all are cute. That's all I got to say. I feel like this is a showdown, but only one party is aware of it. She's telling, she's like, just get walking. Puddles. See, Puddles is a nice guy. That's what the problem is. He's too nice. Bert would have chased her right out of the pool. But Puddles is a nice guy. Look, look, she left anyway. And then these two just took it over. That's Gimp in India. Hey, Maverick. Hi, Maverick. Pretty girl. That's gross. You got all the clean water over there. Why are you getting that mud puddle? See, like different flavors, man. Different flavors. Look, y'all want to see something. These geese have been molting. I'm not messing with you. Don't you worry. Look at all the feathers. Does it look like someone blew up a goose out here? They've been losing all their feathers. Or a lot of them anyway. Feathers everywhere. Hi, Pumpkin. I'm looking at you, Pumpkin. Pumpkin. So handsome he is. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Look, he knows I'm talking to him. What's going on, Pumpkin? Beautiful boy. They are smart animals. They do learn their names. What's going on, Goose Man? Where's Flip-Flop? Flip-Flop! Where are you? He's right there. That's him right there. Flip-Flop, Flip-Flop! He's like, I'm busy eating. I ain't coming over to see you. I'm putting my nose in my food. And then over there, that's the snack pool. That's where we can put it. Their snacks so they don't get a bunch of wood chips in them. And today on the menu is watermelon. That will all be gone by the time I come out tonight. Who's taking a bath over there? Who was that? I don't know who that is. Actually, that's Sunny. Sunny, is that you? It's hard to tell from all the way back here. One that's always easy to tell is this guy right here. Henry. Henry. All about the snacks, man. What's up, Pumpkin? The best boy. Are you the best boy? He's like, I'm a troublemaker. Always looking for trouble. This baby is so beautiful. Zorro. She's the only goose I have left that's super broody still. Are you a broody goose? Huh? Beautiful girl. She has so much dark coloring on her back that you usually can't see. Cracker, are you starving? Are you starving to death, Cracker Jack? Oh, him will no make it. Oh, him will no survive it. Do you need a snack? Do you need a snack real bad? Poor Cracker. Him so neglected. Him so abused. Him is so neglected and abused. Oh, not that many. Not that's too many. Nope, back up, back up, back up, back up. One. All right, you can have 4. That's the magic no throw up number. The magic no throw up number. Well, I guess this is the end of the vlog today. I just wanted to take a second to thank our patron members. They support us every single month, and that goes towards supplying these guys with feed and clean bedding where necessary and veterinary care. We are getting ready to make a large feed purchase. Actually, this week we have to because we're about out. If you would like to donate to that, we have a GoFundMe set up for that. I'll link that at the bottom of the video. We sure could use your help. We do run 100% on funding from the public, and we are a 501c3 nonprofit. But anyway, Cracker got his snacks. He's like, I got my most delicious snacks. All right, y'all. Hope y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.